The Batwa people, also known as Pygmies, represent the most impoverished tribe in Burundi. Residing in mud houses within the forests, they work as laborers for other tribes, receiving only food as compensation. Recently, a devastating storm ravaged their area, leaving 55 families homeless and destitute. However, they are no longer forsaken. Through the benevolence of our generous partners and the abundance provided by God, we procured land and constructed 55 homes for these families. With unwavering determination, they labored tirelessly to erect their new dwellings, finally possessing a place they can call home. But there's a problem. Without proper floors, worms crawl in from underneath them and bite them as they sleep. Fortunately, there exists a straightforward solution: the installation of cement floors. For just $150 per house, we can furnish each home with this essential amenity, ensuring the well-being and comfort of these families. Moreover, we aim to enhance their living conditions further by providing basic furniture. At a cost of $150 per family, we can supply 2 beds with mattresses, 3 chairs, and a table, significantly elevating their quality of life. So what can you do? We are asking you to give. Give a little, give a lot, or give everything you got. Want to change the world? It starts with something that has the ability to change everything. It starts with you.